XRP, we start with forward charges. I want to give a quick update. First of all, if you refer to our analysis, since the price was within this down move, we mentioned we can expect the price drop to 65 following by 55 cent. As you can see, exactly the price tag 55, and this is what we get. Now, want to see whether we can look at this one as a reversal or not, and mostly I'm looking at this. Anyway, we start with higher time frame. We start first. We start with a weekly chart, and if we move to weekly chart, we are looking at this one as a flat. Okay, because we mentioned we're looking for the reversal. That means if you get any opportunity for buy from here, this is what we're looking for. In that case, we're looking with the breakout of 2.5. We can look at the all-time high, which is somewhere around 3.2, right? 3.1 or 3.3. Because here we can see the pre 3.3, but for me, based on the percentage, I'm looking for 3.1 following by 3.2. That means we're looking for the previous all-time high. To make it very simple, based on weekly chart, we're looking at this correction, and this is the first one as the internal flat as a first. This is the third I'm looking for, and mostly we're looking to see the breakout of the all-time high. That means at least we're looking for to see the breakout of the 3.1. All right, and since we know, because XRP, because of the SEC, the last year the price couldn't tag the all-time high. Mostly for this year we did. I mean, this is the next move I'm looking for. That's why I mentioned for this year I'm looking for the XRP. And if we move to lower time frame, if we move to daily chart, as we can see almost the price tag the previous low, and we mentioned we're looking for the reversal. Even the price was within here, we mentioned we're looking for the reversal. This is what we get. There was no continuation. Right now, if we get any opportunity for buy as a long term, we will take it. And based on daily chart with the breakout of 1.42, at least we can look for 1.65 following by 2. All right, but based on the weekly, we mentioned we look with the breakout of 2, we're looking for 2.5 following by 3.1 and above. All right, that's why we are looking for the XRP, and we want to see whether we can get any correction, daily correction from here or not, because any daily correction, it can give us better confirmation for continuation. But we should know that we're looking for buy, we're looking for the reversal, but we have to look for the trade setup. Simply, we cannot take the trade for example, we cannot take the trade for buy to consider this is the start of the up move. We have to look for the trade setup. We should know where is our stop loss, and any trade for buy from here, the stop loss at least should be somewhere below. If you look at this one, below this one, somewhere around 50 cents. Okay, either we put at the 55, the lowest price of this one, which is somewhere around 55, 54, or 50 cents. All right, to make it very simple, we're looking for buy, but we have to look for the trade setup. That's mean the opportunity for buy. And if we want to look at this one as an internal flat, we can consider this one as a 1, 2, 3, and whether we have a divergence. If we put this low relative to the previous one, yes, we have a divergence. Okay, but the only question is whether we can put this one in relative to this, or whether this one turn to a flat for the next drop. We need to be quite careful. I don't think we can really put this move in relative to this one. That's why any trade for buy from here, we have to look for the trade setup. And as I see, for me, if I get any opportunity for buy from now, I will take it. And if I move to forward chart right now, I'm looking at this. Any trade for buy from here, this is what I'm looking for. All right. And if we move to forward 1 hour chart, again, we're looking at this correction. How deep this one can go with the breakout of the 66, and we can expect even the price drop to 63. All right. That's why if we want to look for buy, the best things is if the price tag the lowest price of this correction, then at that time, so you can put our entry above here. It depends on the strategy the traders they use. If anyone wants to put the entry above this stop, the best things is at least the price tag somewhere around the 66, 0.6617, make it 66 cents. Then from there, having entry above this, above here, we don't need to put above the stop, can be an option. All right, again, it depends on the strategy the traders they use. If we get any opportunity for buy from here, we will take it. And as a short term, based on 1 hour chart, at least we can look for 72 following the 75 cents. All right, but as I mentioned, simply we cannot take the trade. How deep? Because we can expect even if the price drop to 63 cents. To make it very simple, we're looking for buy, and it depends on the strategy the traders they use. And for those traders, they get the trade for buy either from this correction or from here. at least move their stop loss to break even if they want to keep the trade. Okay, and if I move to forward chart, can we consider this is the correction as a flat for the next drop? We can consider, look, in that way in relative to this, because what we get here is quite sharp. That means we can expect for the next drop as well. But for me, I'm not really interested to look for sell. That's why I prefer this one turn to a deeper correction. Then any opportunity for buy from there, I will take it. The only times we can look for sell if the price drops sharply, following by deeper correction. This is where we confirm for the next drop. This is where we consider whether we should look for sell or not. But at this point, I'm looking at this correction for buy. Okay, that's why I mentioned we have to look for the trade setup. Simply, we cannot take the trade. And in this case, we just follow the chart. If I see any update, I will share. Thanks.